Yo ninjas and Caio, and welcome to this new tutorial about some basic drops or go downs. If you haven't seen them, watch the previous tutorials that I made, link in the description. And also before to start, I want to remind you that in the description you can find the link of my online shop, and also if you want me to help you with your progress and follow your progress, you can check out my Patreon link in the description. So the first drop that we are gonna see is very easy and basic. I don't know the name of it, but it's very simple. I call it basic drop. From here, from this position, let's start with the right leg. You're gonna do a little jump and kick the right leg forward with your heel on the floor. So from here, like this, and from here jump again and go down, like this. And you are in the position 0, and you can start your footworks from here. So like this, down, down. Usually you should go down at the 1 count. For example, if you want to go down on the 1 with this and you want to connect it with the Indian step, it's something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So from here, from this step, I just jumped and switch my leg and then go down. And you can do the same on the other side. I always recommend to practice go downs on both sides. Let's go straight ahead because I want to show you more go downs in this video. If you didn't understand, just rewatch the parts that you missed. The second drop or go down is very easy too. I call it tripod because it looks like a tripod, like this, 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. So basically you start from the Indian step. If you spin clockwise, it's kind of like the start of a flare. So for example, you do the Indian step starting with the right leg, like this, so like this. Then you open and you move your right arm forward, and from here you lean it on the floor. From here you can go like this and then do the 6 step, or you can, I don't know, for example, from here go straight here, or you can do other things, I don't know. You can do a Ramani like this. But the drop is just this. It's very easy. Also remember to do it on the 1 and also try it on the other side, same thing, like this. So if I want to do it on the 1, I'm gonna start from the right side like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Third go down, the back sweep. We're gonna start from here. From this position, if you want to spin clockwise, with the left leg, you go down, bend it like this, and lean your knee on the floor, so you are in this position here. From here, the right leg swings, and you should make a circle with it, and lean the right arm on the floor. So from here, lean it and swing, and you end up in this position here. Again, slowly, from here, turn and lean your knee, put your hand on the floor and swing. And you are here. So you can also start it in the same way like the tripod. So from here you can do this, but instead of doing the tripod, from here you do tang, and then you swing. And from the other side, same thing. From here, lean the right knee this time, your left hand and swing. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. The next one is called the front sweep. The previous one was called the back sweep because you sweep your leg backwards like this. In this one we're gonna sweep our legs in front of us. So what you want to do from here, do a little hop forward if you want and lean only on the right foot, so like this. From here, lean down and sweep like this at the same time. It's kind of like a 1-step hop and open. You can also start by lifting up your knee, so like this, hop and then swinging. Or you can start with 1, 2 and then 3. So you can start if you want, instead of 1 hop like this and immediately go, you can start with the other leg, so the left one. You can do 1 step on this side with the left leg, so 1, then 2, and then 3. On the other side, same thing. If you want, you can start just like this. Tack. If you want, you can lift up your knee more, so something like this. Hop. Or if you want, you can do a step forward with the right leg first. So 1, 2, 3. So how to count it slowly? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So this go down is called spin down, and you just spin and go down at the same time. I'm gonna spin towards my right, so clockwise in this direction, clockwise. From here I'm just gonna turn, leaning my feet on the floor, so not doing this or this, so it's not like this, but lean your feet, keep them on the floor, spin, bend your knees, and you end up in a hook, like this. And from here you can do this and start a 6-step, for example. Spin and hand up in a hook, like this. On the other side, same thing. Spin and hook. This is one way to start the spin down. Another way is to start with the Indian step, like this. So you're doing the Indian step, and then from here you spin and you end up in a hook. I did it on my opposite side now because I went on the left. If you want to do it on the right, it's the same. So 1, 2, spin and end up in a hook. There's a third way to do it. It's very similar. Instead than doing the Indian step forward, we're gonna do it backwards, like this. And from here, I'm gonna spin and end up in a hook. Same thing on the other side, like this. Down, spin, hook. Whoa. Also, this go down is pretty easy. You can play with it and try it in different ways. From here, or from here, or from here. Is the same as you want. The count is a little bit different depending on how you want to do it. Last go down of the video, the knee drop. It's very popular. In my opinion, is the hardest one between all of these, but it's just my opinion. Maybe for you could be easier. So let's start with the right leg. You're gonna hop like this and lift up your right leg in this way. So hop and do this. Turn a little bit on the left side. From here, the foot goes here. Goes in this part of your leg, the other leg. And from here you should push yourself to the ground, but don't touch with your knee on the ground, only with your foot. So from here, push and lean on the ground. As you can see, I'm not touching with my knee, only with my feet, like this. Try it first by using your hands, 2 hands or 1 hand as you want, and then try it with no hands. Tan, tan. With your hands on the floor. From here you can start the footwork in this way or even in this way as you want. Then try with only 1 hand, so tan, 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 or like this, tan. And then try with no hands, so tan, tan, tan. Whoa! I told you that it's hard for me. Let's try on the other side, same thing, jump, kick, and then kick down. Again, tan, tan, tan. With the counts, it looks something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. On the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Wow. If you have any question about this move or other moves, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want me to follow your progress, or if you're interested about my merch, links in the description. See you next week. Yo ninjas!